In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a video conference in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're coordinating a team discussion or catching up with colleagues, Microsoft Teams makes it seamless and straightforward. Let's dive into the process and get you connected in no time. First things first, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams on your device. Once you have Teams up and running, direct your attention to the calendar or chat section. These are your starting points for setting up a video conference. The calendar section is great if you're planning an event in advance, while the chat section is ideal for spontaneous meetings. Now let's move on to creating your meeting. In either of these sections, you'll find the option to create a new meeting or select the Meet Now feature. If you're planning ahead, click on New Meeting to schedule a time and date. If you need to jump into a meeting straight away, Meet Now is your best friend. Before you join the meeting, it's crucial to check that your camera and microphone settings are correctly configured. You want to ensure that everyone can hear and see you clearly, so take a moment to test these settings. Look for the small icons usually found at the bottom or top of your screen. These allow you to toggle your camera and microphone on or off. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure your setup is perfect. If you need to invite others to your meeting, you can easily add participant email addresses. This can be done right within the meeting setup screen. Simply enter the email addresses of your colleagues or team members, and they'll receive an invite to join your conference. Once you've got your settings all sorted and your participants invited, you're ready to begin. Simply click on Join Now or Start Meeting to kick off your video conference. And there you have it. You're all set to communicate and collaborate with your team effectively. And that's how to start a video conference in Microsoft Teams. Remember, with just a few clicks, you can connect with your team from anywhere, making collaboration easier than ever. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.